Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So what we got here today is a boat, but it's a big boat. This is the Pro Boat 42-inch and it's a brushless electric 8S. I just want to show you guys something, how big this thing is, okay? Let's put it like this, put the camera up. Okay, so this is the box for it. This is a 1/10 scale truck. Okay, the size of it, of this box, and you're gonna see when I open it, the size of the boat is the size of the box. So it's like about size of 2 of those cars. This is how big it is. Let me open the box and show you what there is inside. So right when you open it up, you can see that those bolts are packed really nice. There is the remote for it right here and everything. I just wanted to check to see that everything is good because the box was a little bit beat up. Of course, it's coming with some decals that I doubt if I put on, but we'll see later, I guess. Actually, like this, it will have more sense what's written on it. Let me open it up. I don't want to waste your time showing how I cut cardboard out, and I put it outside so we can see. Okay, so here it is. It is out, and it's so much more beautiful than the picture that you can see on the box. It's like have a beautiful glass finish to it. Let's look here on the back real quick. So of course they're giving this piece need to go down. This is just while you're holding it away. It's to protect actually the rear fin. The rear fin of course have the inside hose that will take actually the liquid in, and then right here on the propeller, the propeller have 2 nuts. If you remember on the other video I was explaining how they can fly off, so they put actually 2 of them here, and everything is anodized so it's not going to get corrosion easily. I still going to put some Loctite or something here to prevent it from easily falling off. This is really nice actually. The entire bottom of it is really cool, and let's open it up and show you what going on inside. So it's very big, so it's exactly the size of the box. If you look at it, the boat fit right in the size of the box, so it's pretty big. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. This is for us to show people how the boats run, so this is kind of crazy now. And if you want to buy one of those, we're selling them, so just drop by to the shop. Now let's open it up, and again, to open it up, it have those turnbuckles like in the other one, and they are actually kind of pressurized because there is a seals underneath. So you can see here it's lift up a little bit, and when you open it, it's just gonna kind of pop up. Now the boat is kind of very unbalanced right now because there's no batteries in it, so it's very hard to do. The stand that they give you is really small. I'm gonna end up building probably something else just so it's gonna stay safe and it's not gonna fall. And then let's see here, this is the last one. Okay, now it's open a little bit more. Okay, so I did a previous video about another boat, and the other boat was fiberglass. This one is actually, it's plastic. It's molded plastic. Come on. Last one always the problem one. And this one is very smooth inside. It's actually vacuum form. So the inside of it is really cool, and it's already give me an idea that I can actually make it out of carbon fiber. So it's probably what I'm gonna end up doing later. The remote is here. It's neglectable. It's the regular remote. And then look at this huge brushless motor over here. This is the same big size motor that you're gonna see on the Arma Kraken 8S. A huge steering servo. This is pretty big for a boat. Now they did kind of the inside, since this is not fiberglass and it's plastic, they did actually the skeleton and the inside. So it's really cool. So I know actually how they're making those boats. Let's see where the seams are. So this boat is vacuum form PETG material. So it's exactly like it's made from the same material that they make in the body for the RC cars. And here there is a sticker that actually closing the seam. So there is a seam that's running on the entire side of the boat all the way to the back, and this is how they kind of putting together the two pieces of this big boat. Now this is on the back. It's something very important. Do not pull it out on your boat. This is actually your drain, and what it does is if you have water inside, you're just going to take the water out. Now another thing that you want to look into is that all the hoses over here are going in and out, no problem at all, because those hoses are for the water cooling. So the water cooling going through the motor and then going through the ESC and then going back out to the water. Problem is, if one of those is going to pop up, you're going to float your own boat with water. Now there is on this one the EC, it's actually the IC5 connector, so it's actually pretty cool. And again, the motor on it is pretty big, but I'm gonna put a bigger motor. I'm gonna need some more power on this. Of course, here you have to open it and grease it. There is some stuff that you have to actually attend to, and they're giving you a small jar of grease. And inside, you can see that there is foam core inside. And what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna fill all the cavities where the battery, okay, the battery is going there, but wherever there is empty space, I'm gonna put foam. And this is in a case of a bad crash, so your boat will always float. It's a very important thing to do. Now again, this boat is like, it's a Horizon hobby, but it's actually it's a pro boat, and it's made really nice. I can stretch you a little bit their sticker. They kind of mess it up where they put it, or I'm probably gonna eventually, after a couple run, I'm gonna end up taking the stickers out and just painting it and making it even look cooler. Let me put the top back on it. So when you put the top, again, it's not gonna fall into place. You have to find the holes and actually make it fit. So you have to put the screws back into place. I'm just gonna lay it on top for now, just so we can see it. So we're gonna go run it this weekend so people can actually see them and enjoy them and say, oh, we want to buy 7 of those. Anyway, this is Eric, RC Monster Garage, Motor Style Hobby Shop. Now we're gonna start doing some boat for you guys. So we have RC cars, airplane, and then boats. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And this is the Blackjack 42-inch boat. Bye.